Top of the morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've got 5 ways that you guys can make money, apps that pay daily with little to no effort, no work at all. Are you guys ready for this? Let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, no time to waste. The very first app that I'm going to get into for you guys is the Miles app. Now this app, you download this app on your phone. All you got to do is allow location at all times, and then just keep this app downloaded on your phone whenever you go anywhere. And whenever you're walking, running, biking, jogging, any form of movement, transportation at all, you're creating revenue. Maybe not a lot, but on average, I think this side hustle can promote about $5 per month in the background with no effort at all, just doing your normal routine that you would every single day. If that sounds good, then give it a thumbs up down here below. And the second app I want to share with you guys today is the Amazon Shopper Panel. Now this app is so cool and so simple. You guys have to get this app on your phone. If you join the Amazon Shopper Panel, all you have to do to earn rewards, you simply upload 10 eligible receipts per month. Now this does not have to be an Amazon receipt, ladies and gentlemen. This could be your normal everyday receipts. You guys are going to go shopping anyway. All you have to do is keep your receipts, take pictures of each one of your receipts inside of the app, and you'll automatically earn $10 per month towards your Amazon balance. Now that is cool. This is an easy $10 a month. You can use this for whatever you would desire on your Amazon account. On top of that, you could go in here and you could actually take surveys and earn additional cash. If you can see right here, 50 cents, 75 cents. Not only that, last but not least, if you participate in ad sharing, then you can actually make money from 3 different ways with this app right here. Third app I want to share with you guys today is the Pinata app. Now this app, you're going to make money just by reporting that you paid your rent, whether it was on time or not. As long as you paid your rent and you reported it within the time frame, you're going to get $20 Pinata cash per month for reporting your rent. And you can basically come right on in over here and you could use your rewards at Amazon, Starbucks, Target, and many more other locations. So you see, you could actually use this money. Now the next app I want to talk to you guys about on this list is the Peer-to-Profit app. This app is actually pretty cool. I'm using this app right now with my girlfriend and a couple of my friends. It's a really nice app to be using on here. On average, this thing is yielding about $8 per month. But if you come down here to see your location, it'll actually show you on average, depending on what country you're at, on average how much you're going to make per device. So check out the math on this bad boy, guys. If you guys live in the United States, you guys are going to get on average about $11 a month on average per device. If you take this app and you download this app on your computer, download this app on your laptop, download this app on your smartphone, download it on your significant other's smartphone, maybe your kid's tablet, I don't know, but that's 5 devices, guys. 5 devices. Now per device, if you guys know how to separate the IPs per devices, it's not that hard. YouTube can help you guys do this. You guys can make 11 times 5, meaning $55 a month. That's pretty good, guys. And basically all you're doing is downloading this app and leaving it active in the background on your phone. That's all you're doing on whatever devices. You get your very own dashboard where you can keep track of how much money you're making from each one of these devices. It's pretty cool, guys. I like this. I'd really love it if you guys could use my link down below. I will get a little commission if you guys use this link, but I'm vouching that this thing can make you at least a little tiny bit of money. I know that it has some potential, and if you use it right, there is people on this platform that are making almost $3,000 a month, and all they're doing is leaving an app downloaded on their devices. It's very cool, guys. Check this out. If you scroll down below right here, you could actually see on average right here that your monthly earnings could be about $8 a month, meaning $100 per year, and that is based on 1 device. So 5 devices could be like a good $500 a year maybe. It's only going to use 10% of your bandwidth on your device, right, guys? So you get the other 90% of your internet power, and the app is paying you to use 10% of your internet power. That's basically what's happening here, guys. Just wanted to be clear definitely come check it out. Use my link in the description. It only takes a couple minutes to sign up and you'll be active within 5 minutes, guys. If you guys are enjoying this video, if you could, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out, and I would love to be a part of your money-making journey. Thank you so much, folks, and let's keep on going. The number one spot goes to the app Social Good, because I think this is an amazing opportunity right now because we're right around the corners from the holidays. I know you guys are about to do some shopping. Somebody's going to do some shopping for somebody this holiday season. And this app right here basically pays you cash back in crypto up to 100% of your purchase price. That's right, guys. Like, if you buy $1,000 smartphone, well, guess what? You can get almost $1,000 back in crypto, potentially, in the form of the app's main token. And then immediately after, be able to sell their token and transfer it for cash and cash it out and keep the money. And so this is a no-brainer, guys. This one's definitely a no-brainer because it's a free app. All you do is keep it downloaded, follow your instructions, make sure that you're doing it through the app so that way you can get credit. It's a shop to earn app. So you're just going to go ahead and do your shopping like you normally would, guys. That's the whole point of the video that I made here today, was to give you guys opportunities that will make you money just doing the things that you already do with your day. Whether you're hiking, whether you're jogging, you're on your smartphone, you're shopping, I don't care what you're doing. You guys should be making a little bit of money doing it. I think this one's very worth it to have because even a little bit of cash back, even 10% cash back, who doesn't want to get 10% back of their purchase, right? That's money in your pocket toward the next purchase. That can help you out a lot with your Christmas gifts this season, guys. So if you could, guys, please use my link down in the description, sign up for this bad boy, and get this puppy going in your pocket before Black Friday hits. Because I know Black Friday is around the corner, and I know Christmas is coming shortly after. I want you guys to be set up with this. You guys are going to save some money with this one. It's a really good app. 4.4 stars, guys. Very popular right now. Definitely check it out. Right, so I hope you guys got some value out of all of this. By the way, I wanted to show this to you guys right here. If you look down here, these are all of the available stores that you could shop at with this app. So you shop at any of these stores and you can get your up to 100% crypto cash back. That is pretty cool, guys. So on to the bonus of the video, guys. If you guys are still here, then you earned the biggest money maker right here. I'm about to present it to you guys, and you guys have to do little to no work. Like I said, these apps are designed to pay you to do nearly nothing that you wouldn't already be doing otherwise. So if you're ready to get into it, smash that like button and let's go. Alrighty, folks, last but not least, we have Webull. I had to put Webull in here because I know a lot of you guys are not signed up for this, and this is such a piece of cake. You can make so much money off of this. Now, please, before you leave, hear me out. You're going to sign up for Webull, and you'll get up to 12 free stocks. These 12 free stocks could be valued over $30,000 combined, guys. Now, if you come down here, here are the details, guys. All you have to do is open an account with Webull, and they're going to give you 2 shares that are up to 300 each. After that, if you deposit one penny, guys, that's it. That's all you guys have to do is link your bank and put a penny in, and you're going to get 4 to 10 free fractionable shares, each valued up to $3,000. If you guys look at the combined value, it's over $30,000 potential value here, guys. And all you have to do is use my link down in the description and fund an account up to 1 penny on Webull. All you have to do is open an account, guys, and you guys are going to get free money here. So there's definitely a way out of all the 6 options that I gave you guys today that you guys are going to make some money out of watching my video here today. I really hope you guys use my links down below and sign up for every single one of these. You should sign up for every single one, because who wouldn't want to get paid to pay their rent, to go shopping, to go jogging, to open an investment account? You know, easy stuff, guys. I hope this helped. If it did, please smash that like button. I really want to be a part of your guys' journey. As for now, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.